Hello, welcome back to Poongodi's channel. Today I'll teach you how to put a reverse crochet stitch. This is as same as that of single crochet stitch, which is done in a reverse way. That is, we usually do a crochet from right to left, but here we do the crochet from left to right. This is a decorative stitch usually done at the edges. Here I have done in the neck of the frock. You can also do this for your scarves, mufflers, etc. See here, insert the hook in the crochet stitch. Pull over the yarn. You will be getting 2 loops. Pull through both the loops. And now we have finished the reverse stitch. We are doing it from left to right. The same single crochet stitch which we usually do, but here we do it in the reverse way. Insert the hook through the crochet, pull the yarn. You will be getting 2 loops. Pull the yarn through both the loops. We have finished the next reverse stitch. I hope you are clear about it. The same single crochet stitch, we do this in the reverse way from left to right. Just insert the hook, pull the yarn, and again pull it through both the loops. This will be very attractive and pretty, so you can put this stitch in necks, sleeves, and on all borders. If you have any doubts, please comment in the comment section. If you like this video, click the like button and share with your friends. If you have not subscribed for Poongodi's channel so far, please subscribe. Also click the bell icon nearby so that you'll get notifications for my future videos. Thank you.